To start this training module, you want to log into your eCadence account. Go to the Photoshop Tool Training Module 1, Polygonal Lasso tool. This is what it looks like in Photoshop. Go ahead and click Download Zip File. And then click this download arrow. Download anyway. And then it will be in your Downloads folder. So go to your Downloads folder. Here it is. Double click to open the file, to unzip it. And then we can double click on the folder. There are 3 files in here. We're going to be working with the first one. Open the first JPEG. So you can just select it, drag it into Adobe Photoshop. And here we go. So the first tool we're going to be working with is the Polygonal Lasso tool. And you can see it's the 3rd tool down. You may have the lasso tool visible if you have not used it before. To change tools, just click and hold and then select the tool you need. Notice keyboard shortcut is here, which is L. So on your navigator, if your navigator window is not open, you can go to Window, Navigator. And then we're going to zoom in because we're going to be working with this car. Using the Polygonal Lasso tool, we're going to go ahead and trace this car. So the way it works, you click once and you can see that I'm selecting areas along the car and we're going to cut it out, and you can zoom in and get as detailed as you want. And then go ahead and just trace the car. If this accidentally happens to you, all you have to do to undo is just click delete until you're back to where you need to be. Or if you accidentally mess up, just click delete. This Polygonal Lasso tool is best for areas that are straight. This car has a lot of curves, so it may not always be the best tool for this option because I'm actually getting a bunch of straight lines, but this is just for you to have a little practice. You want to completely trace the edges, and once you get back to where you started, let's see, where did we start? Over here. Once you get near there, you can just double click and there you go. It connects the lines. To copy, the keyboard shortcut is on a Mac is Command C. And then let's go over here to this window. We're going to do Command V. Notice it creates a new layer. I'm going to call that layer car. And with the move tool, just go ahead, select the car that just pasted and move it over. And you can even come in here, clean out the windows if you want. Very simple, just zoom in, select our tool, quickly trace. Notice we are tracing in our car layer. So I'm just selecting the area that I want to cut out and then just hit delete on your keyboard. Or if you don't want to completely delete it, what you can do, I'm going to Command Z to undo. If you don't want to completely delete it, you can create a layer mask, which looks kind of like this Japanese flag. And then notice it masked out the wrong area. So I'm going to do Command I to invert it. And there you go. It is almost as if I deleted it. And I'm going to select this area as well. Again, to close it, you can just double click. And notice I'm on my mask. I'm going to mask away this area again. I'm going to click delete. That didn't work, which means I need to have my colors inverted. There we go. Command D to deselect. And just come in here, delete, and notice it's not actually deleting the image, it's just deleting, creating a mask. So if I right click, disable layer mask, all of my image is there. It's not actually deleted. All right, so let's say I finished completely cutting it out. What you want to do is Shift Command 4 and just take a screenshot of this, and the screenshot will save on your desktop. Next, let's go back to eCadence. You can click through all of the directions here. It talks a little bit about the Polygonal Lasso tool, keyboard shortcut. So when you finish, here's screenshot, directions are step by step. Let's start the assignment. We're going to be uploading it. So right here to upload, you just click the image icon, choose file, desktop, here it is. You can arrange your desktop by date added, that way it gives you the most recent on top. Click open, click OK, and then just let it upload to eCadence and hit submit.